This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a direct browser relay to avoid app incompatibility. On your Oneplus, join the same Wi-Fi or enable its hotspot, then open Snapdrop. Make sure your iPhone is on the same network and open Safari to the same site. Once done, both devices will see each other instantly. This method uses WebRTC to stream files peer-to-peer, so you avoid third-party app account setup. Give permission prompts only when asked, and keep screens unlocked so transfers can start immediately. Next, you perform the transfer. On Oneplus, tap the iPhone icon shown by the web relay and pick the files you want to send. The site will begin pushing data. On the iPhone, a download prompt appears, accept it and choose Save Location. Transfers use your local network, so speeds will be as fast as Wi-Fi allows. If performance matters, use a 5 GHz network. Make sure both screens stay on and avoid switching apps while the stream completes to prevent interruption. To finish, confirm the files landed where you expected on the iPhone, photos for images or files for documents, and back them up if needed. If the devices never appeared to each other, make sure both are on the same network, turn off VPNs, or restart Wi-Fi. Alternatively, switch the Oneplus to hotspot and connect the iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip: if the browser relay fails, install a compatible cross-platform app like Send Anywhere, or use QR-based transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.